Welcome. If you've ever sprinted through an airport, dodging rolling suitcases and spilled coffee, you know travel is wild. Today we are doing something absolutely crazy. I'm challenging myself to pack only 10 items in my carry-on for my next trip. I know. Sounds impossible, right? Last year I forgot my charger and ended up bartering snacks for a phone cable at the gate. Never again. This time I've got my trusty carry-on right here, and inside are the top 10 things you need to pack for your next trip. If you forget these, your entire vacation could be ruined. Trust me, I've learned the hard way, like the time my passport was in my checked bag. Spoiler, not fun. Whether you're on the world's biggest airplane, the most luxurious cruise ship, or just a wild road trip, these essentials have your back. I spent hours researching, talking to travel experts, and even polling my friends who always overpack just to create the ultimate list. Trust me, you will not survive your next trip without everything I'm about to show you. Some of these are game changers, even for seasoned travelers. Stick around, because the last one is something even the pros forget. You do not want to miss this. So smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Here are the 10 must-pack items for your next adventure. Number 1 on the list, your travel documents. These are your ticket to freedom, and without them, your trip ends before it begins. You need your passport, government-issued ID, boarding pass, and, if required, a visa. Double-check expiration dates before you leave. Pro tip, use a travel wallet or pouch to keep everything together. Organize your documents in the order you'll need them at the airport. Don't make the rookie mistake of putting these in your checked bag. Always keep them on your person or in an easy-to-reach pocket. I once saw a woman at security realize her passport was in her checked suitcase. She missed her flight and spent hours in tears at the counter. Before you leave home, do a final check. Passport, Idaho, boarding pass, visa, and any required health documents. Snap a photo of each and email them to yourself just in case. When an agent asks, you'll be ready. Hand over your documents with confidence and breeze through security like a pro. Rule number 1, travel documents stay with you at all times. Lose them, and your adventure is over before it starts. Number 2 on the list is absolutely critical. Your medications and prescriptions. For some, this is literally a matter of life and death. Always pack your essential meds, insulin, heart medication, allergy pens, asthma inhalers in your carry-on, never in checked luggage. For international trips, keep medications in their original labeled bottles and bring a copy of your prescription. Some countries have strict rules, so check ahead. If you're crossing time zones, set reminders on your phone so you don't miss a dose. A simple pill organizer can be a lifesaver for keeping track. I once met a traveler who forgot their blood pressure meds in checked luggage. Their bag got lost and they spent hours at a foreign pharmacy trying to get a replacement. Major stress. Pack enough medication for your trip plus a few extra days just in case. Use a small travel kit for over-the-counter basics like pain relievers, motion sickness pills, and antacids. Don't gamble with your health. Meds go in your carry-on, not checked luggage. A little planning means a safer, stress-free trip. Number 3, electronics and chargers. These are your lifeline on the road, and trust me, you do not want to be caught without them. Your phone is your map, translator, camera, boarding pass, and lifeline. But don't stop there. Bring your tablet, e-reader, and noise-canceling headphones for the ultimate travel toolkit. Letting your battery die is not an option. Always pack a backup charger and a massive portable power bank. Charge everything from your seat or on the go. I once lost power on a 10-hour flight and couldn't access my boarding pass or hotel info. Total panic. Since then, I never travel without 2 chargers and a power bank. Pro tip, download essential travel apps before you leave. Offline maps, translation tools, airline apps, and entertainment. No Wi-Fi? No problem. Create a dedicated tech pouch. Chargers, cables, adapters, and headphones all in one place. Keep laptops, tablets, and phones in your carry-on. Never checked. A fully charged power bank gives you energy independence at the gate and on board. Before you leave, phone, headphones, power bank, all in the pouch. Non-negotiable. Don't trust checked luggage with your expensive electronics. Carry them with you and breathe easier. Stay powered up, stay connected, and travel like a pro. Number 4, snacks and a reusable water bottle. Seriously, this is your secret weapon against getting hangry, bored, or broke at the airport. Airport food is outrageously expensive. I once paid $8 for a sad, soggy sandwich that tasted like cardboard. Never again. Pack a variety. Granola bars, trail mix, nuts, dried fruit, crackers, cheese sticks, jerky, or even a PB&J if you're feeling classic. Don't forget something sweet. A little chocolate or a cookie can save your mood at 30,000 feet. Bring an empty reusable water bottle through security. Most airports have refill stations now, so you can stay hydrated for free. Pro tip, add a hydration packet or electrolyte tablet to your water for long flights. It helps fight jet lag and keeps you feeling fresh. 5 minutes of snack prep at home means you skip the overpriced airport food and actually enjoy your trip. Your wallet and your stomach will thank you. Number 5, always pack a full change of clothes in your carry-on. You never know when you'll need to look sharp for a surprise dinner, change after a spill, or just feel fresh after a long flight. Include a shirt, underwear, socks, and a pair of pants or shorts. If you're headed somewhere special, toss in something a little dressy. It barely takes up space. Here's a quick story. A friend once had her checked bag sent to the wrong country. She spent 2 days in the same outfit. Not fun. A backup set saved her from total embarrassment, spills, turbulence, or even a sudden weather change. You'll be so glad you have a clean outfit handy. Pro tip, use a packing cube or roll your clothes tightly to save space. Tuck it into a corner of your bag. You won't even notice it's there until you need it. Pack clothes for any special occasion that you might be attending, such as a wedding, funeral, party, and so on. Pick something comfy and versatile. Joggers and a tee work for almost anything. Never fly without a backup outfit. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Number 6, your toiletry kit. This is your secret weapon for feeling human after hours of travel. TSA approved, compact, and packed with the right stuff. Toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, face wipes, hand sanitizer, floss, mini hairbrush, travel size shampoo, conditioner, and even a tiny sunscreen. All the basics. Remember, TSA rules. All liquids and gels must be 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters or less, packed in a single clear quart-sized bag. Keep it handy for security checks. True story. I once forgot my toothpaste and had to use the tiny hotel sample. Not ideal. Now, I double-check my kit before every trip. Pro tip, pack a few extras like lip balm, moisturizer, and a couple of Band-Aids. Use disinfectant wipes on tray tables and armrests. Planes are germy. Keep your clear bag in an easy-to-reach spot in your carry-on. When you land, you'll be the first one feeling fresh and ready to go. Number 7, the ultimate comfort combo, a supportive travel pillow, a soft eye mask, and don't forget a cozy travel blanket and sweater. Airline pillows are basically tissue paper. Bring your own neck pillow for real support and to avoid waking up with a crick. Inflatable pillows pack down tiny, but memory foam is pure luxury if you have the space. A soft travel blanket and sweater makes all the difference when the cabin gets chilly. I always tuck them into my bag. An eye mask blocks out harsh lights, from reading lamps to sunrise through the window. Here's a quick story. I once spent a red-eye flight without my pillow or mask. I barely slept and arrived feeling like a zombie. Never again. Combine pillow, mask, blanket, sweater, and noise-canceling headphones. You've got a sleep sanctuary at 30,000 feet. Clip your comfort gear to your bag. It's worth every penny for a restful arrival. Invest in comfort and beat jet lag before it starts. Number 8. Pack entertainment that doesn't need the internet. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Once, I sat through a 6-hour flight with a broken seatback screen and zero Wi-Fi. Pure boredom torture. So download movies and shows to your tablet, but also bring a real book or a Kindle for when screens get old. Pack a deck of cards, a travel game, or a puzzle book, crosswords, Sudoku, or even a mini chess set. Download podcasts and audiobooks for hours of hands-free fun, perfect for when you want to close your eyes and chill. Before you leave, become a digital prepper. Load up on downloads, playlists, and offline games. Turn travel time into your own personal theater, library, or game night, whatever keeps you smiling at 30,000 feet. Pro tip, pack a little bit of everything: movie, book, game, and playlist. Variety wins and boredom loses. This is your Dragon's Hoard, your valuables. But it's not just about what you bring, it's about how you protect them. Jewelry, large cash amounts, expensive watches, and important documents. These all belong with you, never in checked bags. Checked bags pass through dozens of hands and sometimes get lost or even rifled through. I once met a traveler who lost a family heirloom necklace. It was never found. To avoid heartbreak, keep valuables in a small, discreet pouch inside your carry-on, and don't flash them in public. Pro tip, take photos of your valuables and keep digital copies of receipts and insurance documents. If something does go missing, you'll have proof for your claim. Include house keys and car keys if needed. You don't want to be locked out when you return, and always keep a copy of your insurance info handy, just in case. Do a valuables audit. If losing it would ruin your trip, it belongs in your carry-on. Peace of mind is priceless, and with a little planning, you'll never have to visit Lost and Found. Number 10, the just-in-case kit. This is what separates amateurs from pros, and trust me, you'll thank yourself for packing it. Start with the basics: Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, blister pads, and a few extra masks. Add a small bottle of hand sanitizer, some pain relievers, and a mini sewing kit for wardrobe malfunctions. Safety pins, a whistle, and a tiny flashlight can be lifesavers. I also toss in a few allergy pills and a backup phone charger because you never know. Bring gum to help relieve ear pressure, mints to soothe an upset stomach, and cough drops to ease coughing during your flight. Chew or suck on them whenever you need relief. Here's a quick story. I once helped a fellow traveler who tripped in the airport and scraped her knee. Because I had my kit, I cleaned the cut, gave her a Band-Aid, and she was back on her feet in minutes. It felt amazing to be prepared. Keep your kit in an easy-to-reach pocket of your carry-on. In chaotic terminals, having these supplies gives you control and confidence no matter what comes your way. Pro tip, check your kit before every trip and restock anything you've used. It takes up almost no space, but the peace of mind is priceless. So remember, Band-Aids, wipes, masks, safety gear, gum, mint, cough drops, and a little know-how. Tuck the pouch in your side pocket and travel like a pro. That's a wrap. Let's quickly recap the 10 must-have items for your carry-on. Travel documents, medications, electronics, snacks and water, a change of clothes, your toiletry kit, pillow and mask, entertainment, valuables, and your emergency kit. Pack these and you'll travel smarter, lighter, and with way less stress. Remember, being prepared means you can focus on the adventure, not the hassle. Now it's your turn. What's the one carry-on item you never leave home without? Drop your best travel tip in the comments below. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more wild travel challenges and tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.